Welcome to Paris, the city of lights and one of the most enchanting destinations in the world. We're taking you on a journey through the top 10 must-visit attractions that capture the essence of Parisian charm and beauty. From iconic landmarks like the Eiffel Tower and Louvre Museum to hidden gems waiting to be discovered. Join us as we explore the heart and soul of this captivating city. Get ready to be inspired and fall in love with Paris all over again. Please stay at the end as we will give some extra tips to discover. But before we start, a little wordplay. The first place you need to see in Paris is not located in the city center, but on the outside. Step into the opulent world of the Palace of Versailles. A grandiose masterpiece of French architecture and history. Located just outside Paris, this UNESCO World Heritage Site invites visitors to immerse themselves in the lavish lifestyle of French royalty. Explore the magnificent Hall of Mirrors, adorned with stunning chandeliers and intricate frescoes. And stroll through the vast gardens adorned with fountains and sculptures. Learn about the palace's storied past as the seat of power during the reign of Louis XIV. And admire the extravagant decor that reflects the grandeur of the French monarchy. When you are back in Paris, you need to take a boat trip on the Seine, where you will see already some of the most interesting places. Another word game. Experience the magic of Paris from a different perspective with a boat trip on the Seine River. Glide past iconic landmarks like the Eiffel Tower, Notre Dame Cathedral, and the Louvre Museum, as you soak in the breathtaking views of the city's enchanting skyline. Relax and unwind as you cruise along the picturesque riverbanks, taking in the beauty of Paris from the water. It's a memorable way to see the city's most famous sights while enjoying a leisurely voyage. The Louvre Museum in Paris is not just a museum. It's a treasure trove of art and history waiting to be discovered. Home to over 35,000 works of art spanning centuries and civilizations, it's a cultural icon in the heart of the city. Visitors can marvel at world-famous masterpieces like the Mona Lisa and the Venus de Milo. Explore ancient Egyptian artifacts, and admire Renaissance paintings. The museum's iconic glass pyramid entrance, surrounded by the stunning Cour Napoleon, adds a modern touch to its historic grandeur. With its rich collection and architectural splendor, the Louvre is a must-visit destination for art enthusiasts and history buffs alike. Maybe not really know as a place to visit in Paris, but it is certainly a place you need to see when you are visiting the City of Love. The Musée d'Orsay in Paris offers a delightful journey through art history in an easy-to-navigate setting. Housed in a former railway station, it showcases a remarkable collection of Impressionist and Post-Impressionist masterpieces. Visitors can admire iconic works by artists like Monet, Van Gogh, and Degas, displayed in spacious galleries with ample natural light. The museum's user-friendly layout and clear signage make it accessible for all, while its charming cafe offers a perfect spot to relax and reflect on the stunning artworks. After some places visited, it is time to relax. This you can do in the lung of Paris, and in meanwhile you can subscribe to my channel. Located in the heart of Paris, the Luxembourg Gardens offer a peaceful retreat for visitors to unwind and enjoy nature's beauty. Spread over 60 acres, the gardens boast lush greenery, colorful flowerbeds, and tranquil pathways ideal for leisurely strolls. You'll discover enchanting fountains, picturesque statues, and a charming pond where children can sail model boats. With plenty of benches and chairs scattered throughout, it's a perfect spot to relax and soak up the Parisian atmosphere. Notre Dame de Paris, located on the Isle de la Cité in Paris, is a timeless symbol of French Gothic architecture and cultural heritage. Its majestic facade, adorned with intricate sculptures and imposing towers, captivates visitors from around the world. Inside, the cathedral's soaring nave, stunning stained glass windows, and awe-inspiring rose windows evoke a sense of reverence and wonder. Although tragically damaged by fire in 2019, ongoing restoration efforts aim to preserve this iconic landmark for future generations. Notre Dame de Paris continues to inspire awe and admiration as a testament to the enduring spirit of faith, art, and history. At this moment, you will be only to see it from the outside. One notable movie about Notre Dame de Paris is The Hunchback of Notre Dame, a Disney animated film released in 1996. This adaptation of Victor Hugo's classic novel tells the story of Quasimodo, a kind-hearted bell ringer who lives in the cathedral's bell tower. The most iconic and known place in Paris and France and maybe in Europe. Just a little joke about the Eiffel Tower, I hope you like it. The answer you will find at the end of the presentation of Eiffel Tower. The Eiffel Tower, an enduring symbol of Paris, stands tall as one of the world's most recognized landmarks. Designed by engineer Gustave Eiffel, it was constructed for the 1889 Exposition Universelle, World's Fair, to celebrate the centennial of the French Revolution. Initially met with skepticism, the tower's innovative design and towering stature soon captured the world's imagination. At 324 meters, 1,063 feet tall, it was the tallest man-made structure until the completion of the Chrysler Building in New York City in 1930. Despite initial plans for its dismantlement, the Eiffel Tower was repurposed as a radio antenna, saving it from demolition. Today, it welcomes millions of visitors annually, offering panoramic views of Paris and serving as a symbol of innovation, engineering prowess, and French cultural heritage. Hear the answer of the joke. Because Eiffel for you. Sainte-Chapelle, located on the Isle de la Cité in Paris, is a gem of Gothic architecture renowned for its exquisite stained glass windows. Built in the 13th century by King Louis IX to house relics of the Passion of Christ. The chapel's interior is a breathtaking kaleidoscope of vibrant colors and intricate designs. Its upper chapel features 15 towering stained glass windows depicting biblical scenes, flooding the space with ethereal light. Despite damage and restoration over the centuries, Sainte-Chapelle remains a testament to medieval craftsmanship and religious devotion. The Champs-Élysées, often referred to as the world's most beautiful avenue, is a majestic boulevard in Paris renowned for its elegance and grandeur. Lined with historic buildings, luxury boutiques, and iconic landmarks, it exudes an air of sophistication and charm. This bustling thoroughfare serves as the prestigious finish line for the Tour de France, the world's most famous cycling race, attracting throngs of spectators to witness the exhilarating conclusion. As cyclists race down the avenue amidst cheering crowds, the Champs-Élysées transforms into a scene of jubilant celebration, embodying the spirit of sporting excellence and the enduring allure of Parisian glamour. Of course, don't forget to visit the Arc de Triomphe. And finally, one of the most romantic places of Paris. Nestled atop a hill in the heart of Paris, Montmartre beckons with its whimsical charm and romantic allure. Steeped in history and artistic legacy, this enchanting neighborhood has been a haven for creatives, poets, and dreamers for centuries. Stroll along cobblestone streets lined with quaint cafes, artisan shops, and bustling squares, where the spirit of bohemian Paris comes to life. Discover iconic landmarks like the Sacré-Cœur Basilica, a dazzling white beacon overlooking the city, offering panoramic views of Paris below. Lose yourself in the winding alleys of Montmartre, where every corner reveals a new story, a hidden gem, or a moment of artistic inspiration. With its undeniable romanticism and timeless beauty, Montmartre captivates the hearts of visitors, inviting them to fall in love with Paris all over again. Extra tip 1. Marché aux Fleurs Reine Elizabeth, situated on the Isle de la Cité, is a charming flower market offering a colorful array of blooms. With its picturesque setting and vibrant atmosphere, it's a delightful destination for flower enthusiasts. Extra tip 2. Charonne, nestled between the 11th and 20th arrondissements in Paris, is a lively neighborhood known for its vibrant atmosphere. It features a blend of industrial and Haussmann-style buildings, offering a unique glimpse into the city's architectural heritage. Extra tip 3. Canal Street Martin, located in the 10th and 11th arrondissements of Paris, is a picturesque waterway lined with tree-shaded promenades and charming cafes. Its tranquil ambience and scenic views make it a popular spot for leisurely strolls.